Unveiling the Mystique, Understanding Mist Rolling In. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the picturesque world of English phrases. Our focus? The evocative expression, mist rolling in. Whether you're a language enthusiast or an English learner, this video will help you grasp the essence and usage of this beautiful phrase. So, let's get started. Mist rolling in is a phrase that paints a vivid picture. It describes a scene where mist, a light, fine spray of water droplets in the air, gently moves into an area, often creating a dreamy, ethereal atmosphere. This phrase is not just about weather. It's about setting a mood or tone in a conversation, story, or description. Imagine a foggy morning where the mist slowly envelops the landscape, obscuring and softening the surroundings. While mist rolling in can be used to describe actual weather conditions, it's often employed in a figurative sense. For instance, in literature or poetry, this phrase might symbolize confusion, mystery, or a sense of something changing. It's all about context. When you hear or read this phrase, think about whether it's describing a real scene or conveying a deeper, metaphorical meaning. Let's see the phrase in action. Literal: as we sat by the lakeside, we watched the mist rolling in, shrouding the distant hills. Figurative: with his evasive answers, there was a mist rolling in on the truth, making it hard to discern. Notice how in each case, the phrase sets a different tone and meaning. And there you have it. Mist rolling in is more than just a weather report. It's a tool for creating ambiance and conveying deeper meanings. We hope this video has cleared the mist on this phrase and given you a new appreciation for the beauty of English expressions. Keep exploring and happy learning!